Hello and welcome. In this video, we are going to look at how to fill in the maintenance request form on the Facilities Help Desk self-service portal. If you need to make this video bigger, then click on the white square in the bottom right hand of the player, and to return it back to its original size, tap the escape key on your keyboard. If you are booking a request for a broken bin to be repaired, then please fill this in on the Porter's Collect form. You'll find an option under Bin Swap with Broken, and a porter will bring up a new bin based on what type of bin you've described in the useful information. If you have a broken bed, then you can book this on the Porter's Collect form as a broken bed to exchange. Any other clinical equipment, if movable by one person, can be booked on the Porter's Move request form to be taken to clinical engineering. Any other equipment that is too large to move or fixed, please contact clinical engineering directly, who will be able to arrange for an engineer to come and service the equipment for you. When you first open the form, you'll see that the reporter, number field and email field will be pre-filled in with your contact details. You can edit your phone number and email address just by clicking in the box and adding a new number. It's important that this number is a contact that can be used to get hold of you or a member of your team where the request is being carried out if maintenance need to provide an update or gather additional information to help complete this request. Next, you'll need to provide a room number. The room number can be found normally on a sticker accompanying a barcode above the door or the entryway for an area before you enter that location. All room numbers will start with 2 letters. This is the site. So for example, HR stands for Hills Road, but it could be other combinations, followed by 2 numbers for the building, 2 numbers for what floor you're on, and 3 numbers for the room. Please do not enter any number starting with the letters FD. This is a specific code used to identify fire doors within the trust and will not be able to be used by the maintenance team to locate where the request is to be carried out. You'll notice once you've added the number and selected the option from the drop-down, it will pre-fill in the building field for you. If you've made a mistake, click on the clear field and then you'll be able to re-enter the room number. Next, we need to add the request type. So this is the item the member of the maintenance team is coming down to repair. When you click in the field, you will see a full list of items that are available. Just type the item. So for example, if I was to put in bedpan, and we can see we have options for both macerator and washer. And if we needed to replace the soap in our bedpan washer, you can see we got blocked, leaking. Not functioning is a generic for any type of fault that might not fit into one of the other categories. Then we have our option for out of soap. In the useful information field, this is where you can be more specific about where it's located and any other additional information that might help the engineer fix the fault or repair the damage that's occurred. So for example, if it was a broken door handle on the door, you could put that it was the inside of the door or the outside of the door. If it was for a light bulb to be replaced, you could add that whether it's a strip light or a theatre light. In the case of our bedpan washer, I'm just going to add that it's in the sluice room. Once you've checked all the details are correct, click the submit button and a pop-up will appear with your unique reference number for this request. Under the video, you'll see a list of all the active tasks that have been booked for maintenance in the last 72 hours. This information can be filtered by the task ID, the type of item being repaired, the building or room reference number location, or even the name of the reporter. To remove any search you've done and refresh the list, just click on the white cross in the circle in the bottom right hand corner. Thank you for watching. If after watching this video you still have questions about how to book a request, then please give us a call on the number shown.